Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Go2Bank online banking account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open a web browser to get started. In the URL box at the top, type in go2bank.com and search. Once you end up in the official website for Go2Bank, click on Open an Account button at the top right corner. Now click on I'm not a robot and complete the CAPTCHA. Click on Get Started to start your enrollment. Enter a valid email address on the next field and click on Continue. Now enter your first name and then your last name on the next page. Click on Continue when done, but make sure that the name that you've provided matches your state ID, which will be used for setting up direct deposit. On the next page, enter your address and all of its information in the respective text boxes. After filling in your details, click on I agree box, and then if you want to receive automated market calls and text messages on behalf of Go2Bank, then check this next box as well and click on Continue. Enter a mobile phone number on the next page and click on Continue. On the next page, you will then need to verify your mobile number. Simply enter the SMS code that you received via SMS and then complete through the enrollment by following the prompt. After you are done with it, you will then be able to sign up for Go2Bank online banking account. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.